Hey guys, your apron needs to protect you from high temperatures, sparks, rays and splatter. Using poor quality apron will ruin clothes at a minimum but can also cause serious burns or skin damage. While protecting you against all these dangers, a quality welding apron should be easy to put on and take off for ease of use. We've sought out some quality aprons with the best protection at an affordable cost. Check out our quick comparison below. Before reading more in depth further down, we made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. Our first best pick, Westchester Leather Apron. Stay safe from stray sparks and splatters with this Cowhide leather welding apron that meets specifications and expectations when it comes to safety and durability. It won't just resist the heat from the splatters, it also has abrasion-resistant properties that will make this a great choice for all your welding needs. The construction is really great. From the Kevlar strength to the rivets that are corrosion-resistant, everything is reinforced, so you can get more wear out of it. This is one of those products that you can't believe you got because it is well made, has a good quality but sold at a cheaper price. It does a good job in protecting you from splatters and sparks and also works well in preventing abrasions. It isn't too heavy. According to many users, they were able to wear it all day while working with issues. Second best pick, QeeLink Leather Welding Apron. The best welding aprons are the ones made from the most genuine of materials like this one from QeeLink. It is made from 100% genuine cowhide heavy-duty 1.3 to 1.5 mm leather that by itself and without treatment is fireproof. The crossback strap design allows the apron to fit your body comfortably. It eliminates that annoying hanging from the neck issue that often comes with aprons. You can work for long hours and not have to pause to adjust your welding apron. The heat-resistant quality of this apron is unmatched. Backed by US Kevlar thread stitching, this won't just protect you from those slags and sparks but will also remain sturdy for many more uses. The 6 pockets integrated are a nice feature that will. Third best pick, Eletecpro Leather Welding Apron. Another top welding apron is Eletecpro length 42 inches 6 pockets leather welding apron. For both men and women, this apron is made with premium quality full cow split leather, which gives more durability and heat and fire resistant. This also has 6 pockets for storing tools and work accessories that give you the option to keep your device close to you while working. The size and design of this apron is imposing. 42 inches large size cover all the front part of your body, and the crossback design of this will help to attach it with your body as well as help for your neck pain. Another best feature of this fire resistance apron is its usability. Not only in welding tasks, but you can also use this for as other works apron like grilling apron, woodworker's apron, a workshop apron, and so on. Our fourth best pick, flame-resistant heat apron. Another welder apron of our list is Leather Welding Apron Flame-Resistant Heat-Resistant Work Apron. It is a great apron having a lot of features that help a welder a lot. The first and foremost feature of this welder apron is the abrasion and heat resistance. Due to it is made with leather, it offers high temperature protection with superior abrasion resistance. The flexible design and adjustable straps of this best welding apron provide the best fitting to different body types, which is very important. The size of this apron is so enough that it can cover almost the whole front body of a welder, which gives superior protection from any sparks and spatters. This top fire resistance welding apron has 6 tool pockets that help to keep your handy equipment close to you. It is a great multi-use apron that can be used for leatherwork, metalwork, garage and so on. Our 5 best pick, TULGIGS Heavy Duty Apron. The last apron of our top welding apron list is TULGIGS Heavy Duty Shop Welding Cowhide Apron. It is a high-quality welder apron that is made with full cow split leather, and the leather is carefully selected for this purpose only. This material and double stitching of this flame-resistant apron ensure the durability of this apron as well as comfort and heat and fire resistance. The 6 tool pockets and crossed back design of this is a great feature. The 6 pockets help to keep handy tools close to you, and within these pockets, 2 are for pencil and cell phone pockets. The crossed back of this helps to lessen neck pain and enhance weight displacement. This apron is not only for a welding task but also very helpful for many other jobs. You can use it as barbecue apron, grilling apron, garage apron, and metalwork apron and so on.